The Supreme Court on Friday granted bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in connection with money laundering case linked to alleged liquor policy scam, but at the same time asked him to take a call on stepping down from his post. The bench said, and we quote, "We are conscious that Arvind Kejriwal is an elected leader and the Chief Minister of Delhi, a post holding importance and influence. While we do not give any direction, since we are doubtful whether the court can direct an elected leader to step down or not function as the Chief Minister or as a minister, we leave it to Arvind Kejriwal to take a call." NPCI International Payments Limited, the international arm of the National Payments Corporation of India, on Thursday signed an agreement with QNB, the largest financial institution in the Middle East and Africa headquartered in Qatar, to launch QR code-based UPI payments across the Gulf nation. This will enable UPI payment acceptance in Qatar through the QNB merchant network, benefiting Indian travelers visiting and transiting through the country. In spite of the fact that both central and state government agencies are trying to combat the rising cybercrime in the country, Odisha witnessed a staggering rise in cyber frauds in last 6 months. At least 2,394 cases of cyber fraud have been reported from different parts of the state during the period. In the last 6 months from January to June 2024, as many as 2,394 cases have been reported in several police stations, with the fraud amount rising to around 36 crore rupees, informed Police Commissioner Sanjeev Panda. Police have managed to freeze 9.5 crore rupees and return 46 lakh rupees to the victims, while the other victims are waiting for the recovery of their money. And the India Meteorological Department has predicted rainfall in several parts of Odisha till 19th July. As per IMD, light to moderate rain and thunder shower is very likely at many places over the districts of Odisha in the next 24 hours. A yellow warning has been issued for the districts of Sundargarh, Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Badgat, Baleswar, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar. Heavy rainfall is very likely to occur at 1 or 2 places over the districts of Baleswar, Mayurbhanj, and Keonjhar.